run so fast, like Platinum McQueen. Yeah, like Platinum McQueen. Hopefully you've seen my song, Bob and Joel. I made it out of my voice, my mouth, the mouth that you're hearing right now. Okay. I know a lot of people have been wanting me to make a Roblox video where I talk over, well, I just figured it out. Slow and steady wins the race, unless you're against a rabbit. Cause those like the tortoise and the hare thingies, that's not true. It's always tortoise versus bus, but the tortoise. The turtle wins because the bus runs out of gas. That's always what happens because it doesn't have a lot of potatoes. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Uh-oh. Make a run for it. Uh-oh, I'm stuck in here. Ow! Oops, excuse me. Whoa, it's so big. Whoa! It's a snake. It transformed. Oh. Low gravity. It's low gravity. Everything's flying in the air. Whoa! Mommy! No! No, don't leave me! Whoa. It's so cool. Hey! Let me in! Whee! Thank you, bus driver. Where we headed? Are we headed to the Roblox Encounter Public School? Cause I don't like school! I don't like school! I don't like it! So I'm leaving. You're wrong. And all you do is just go to school. Yeah, you better walk out. Where'd he go? Did I kill him? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Okay. Now what should I do? Regen? Oh, like the president? Okay. Oh my gosh, that man's so mean. Wait, did he get beat up? Probably because he's clicking on Regen. I'm so lucky. Maybe I should push the Regen dude again. Regen. Now I'm turned. But how come that one's flat and that one's big? It doesn't make no sense.